Whoa, my boobs look huge! Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be recreating some YouTuber Instagrams, and in all honesty, this was supposed to be a dressing like YouTubers for a week, but Tana's outfits are not quite the definition of breathable. They're mostly pleather. So from the comfort of my air-conditioned home, we're gonna be recreating photos from Elle Mills, Chamberlain, Dobrik, and Tana. P.S. If you missed it on Wednesday, we launched the limited edition scissors tee, so make sure to snag that before it's gone forever. And I also just got confirmation that we have a merch booth at VidCon. So let me know in the comments down below if you're headed to VidCon this year. I'm super excited. It's my first year having merch and like a shop. So I will see you there. All right, let's just hop into it. This is the first time we're using the seamless, so we're gonna shoot Elle Mills in here with a flash. Honestly, I just need to get a better step ladder. Maybe from like, if I make any money off this video, we'll invest in a better ladder, a safer ladder. Or maybe some like workplace insurance. Matt's like, yo, instead of spotting you, I gotta get the shot.
I got you.
You're like, I got you, here's one finger. Moose, no, you just ate the centipede. There was a centipede over there, Moose. No. Okay, first up we have Elle Mills, my Canadian transformation queen. I feel like Elle like rolled into the YouTube game a couple years ago and just like completely changed the game. I've like low-key always kind of questioned her use of copyright music because like, girl, you can be making bank off your videos, but I'm sure you know that. Anyways, I feel like I nailed this outfit. We got the Kermit shirt from Urban. I'm pretty sure it's the exact one. We've got some slacks, some plaid trousers that Matt is actually gonna take home with him after the video. And then I matched her brown belt. I may have to punch an extra hole in here, but we'll just make it work for the photo. And Elle, especially this year, I feel like has seriously taken getting into shape so seriously, and girl, you look amazing. I also feel kind of personally connected to her because we're both Canadian. She's a huge advocate for mental health, so I feel so personally connected to that whole situation, and she's so cool. And fangirl aside, we're gonna kill this photo. There's gonna be a little bit of Photoshop magic because here is the original, and I don't know if she shot this in front of like some kind of like shipping container or something. Don't have that in my house, so we're gonna use a seamless and a flash. I'm gonna try and recreate the lighting at least so that I can kind of just steal her background and kind of fake that situation, and hopefully we're gonna nail it. Elle, girl, what is this like half smile? Like I don't have, I can only like full, it's like full smile or half smile. There's nothing in between. Yo, guys, I think we got it. That took forever. We started with definitely the hardest one. The worst part is that Elle probably took this picture in 2 seconds and this took us half an hour. But it looks pretty good. So here's like before we do any editing. We like got the shadow. I can definitely brighten some stuff up in Photoshop afterwards to like match it, but we got it. Hey, this is when I'm cutest. Oh god. Okay, so I couldn't find a wig that was the exact same, but it was like a really weird like purpley blue color. I literally like my lips, I have 14 bras on. Like everything is so uncomfortable right now. Okay, so next up we have Tana. I love Tana. Tana is honestly one of my favorite creators ever, and even just like people, she's so unapologetically herself. Actually, I feel like she kind of apologizes for like a lot, but like unapologetically is herself. So this is the photo that we're recreating, and I couldn't find this specific wig. It was a really tough like purpley blue color. Couldn't find it. There was like purple and blue and teal and like nothing in between. So this is gonna be the vibe for today. It's very like Halsey. I feel like Tana in general is like Insta baddie, hype bae girl, aka everything that I am literally not and so far from. But today, you know, we gonna rock a little fanny pack to the side. It says for very cool kids like me. Also, I kind of just feel like I'm wearing a Halloween costume, even though this is Tana's style. Like she makes it look like an everyday type of thing for her, but this just feels like a Halloween costume on myself. It's like Insta baddie meets Catwoman. So she's standing in front of a couch in her living room, I think at maybe her old place or maybe her new place, not entirely sure. But even like the background in my house is just so LAUR/DIY. Like I can't even Photoshop that out. So Tana, if you want to trade some living room decor, not that yours is bad, I could just use a little TLC for some tips on how to be Insta baddie AF like you are, let me know. Also guys, I'm just holding these shorts together with some butterfly clips back here. I've got literally 2 bras on. My lips are overlined double. Like we out here trying to be Tana. Whoa, my boobs look huge! Oh my god, that's pretty good. Oh god, this is a look that I should just never put on ever again. Oh my god. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
We did it.
I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh god, I just need to go put some athleisure back on. Look at all the colorful stuff in my background. Oh my god. I look like an entirely different person when I have gigantic lips. Am I David Dobrik yet?
Pretty dang close.
Where's my Tesla at? Honestly, I thought about having my friend drive her Tesla over here so I could take the photo, like in a Tesla, near a Tesla, on a Tesla. And also, does he have a Lamborghini too? Don't have any friends with a Lamborghini, unfortunately. But also shout out to David for just having the literal easiest outfit to replicate. Black hat, black sweats, black tee, boyfriend socks, red Vans. Okay, so we're gonna be recreating this photo right here with Doug the Pug, but with Moose the mini bully. I have learned today that Moose is the same size as an age 7 to 8 toddler. I guess that's not really a toddler anymore. I guess you're just a little kid at that point. Anyways, I learned that trick from Doug the Pug's parents, Leslie and Rob, who buy Doug's clothes obviously from the kids section. So Moose today is wearing a size 7 to 8 black tee to match Doug the Pug and me, Lauren Dobrik. No, wait, no, that came out wrong. That came out so wrong. Also, David's married to Jason's mom right now, so he off the market. Yeah, not stoked to be wearing all black in 100-degree weather outside, but we gonna do it for the gram. And next up we have Emma Chamberlain, Queen of Quirk. I feel like she's so cool because she's not even trying to be cool, but then she ends up looking super cool. Like she just like wears what she wants, doesn't care. She's mastered the effort of not looking like she cares. Like I care a lot right now. This is my vibe, is that I just care a lot, like too much. I'm also so down with how much she loves 90s trends. I feel like she probably wasn't even born in the 90s. She's like 16 or something, 16, 17, 18?
Is that what she is?
I don't know, I honestly don't think she's born in the 90s, let me see. But I love that she loves 90s. 2001, she's 18. Oh my God, I feel old. So I couldn't find a tee that was exact to any of the ones that she's wearing in her photos because I'm pretty sure she loves thrifting and vintage stuff, so all her graphic tees are pretty thrifted, or like that's the vibe. So can't match a thrifted tee, obviously. But I did get this baby tee from Urban Outfitters, and I feel like it's very 90s vibes, sugar and spice. With this belt, haven't seen this on her, but I feel like she'd vibe with it. Also, I vibe with it. I feel like even though Emma's apparently 1,000 years younger than me, we probably have the most similar style out of everyone in this video, so I'm super down with the outfit. I've also got Docs on, which are so uncomfortable. If anyone knows a secret to breaking these in, please let me know. And also in the spirit of the whole thrifted situation, we're gonna be recreating kind of like the essence, kind of the inspiration I took for her poses and stuff, but in an outfit that isn't exactly the same. So we're recreating Emma Chamberlain-esque photos today. Sunbathing like it ain't no thing. Inside, inside, inside. Oh my God. Do I have a dent in my makeup? Like from the sunglasses like melted my makeup off?
No.
Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments whose IG recreation was the best. Low-key, I'm filming this before I've actually shot the photos yet, so like, I don't even know whose was best. Make sure you'll follow me on Instagram at laurDIY and show all the creators that I featured in this video some love. Let them know that I tried to be like the knockoff version of them and tag them. They can personally let me know that I am the DIY version of Tana. You can also check out the merch store, shop.laurDIY.com. I think there's actually a little bar right below the video if you want to hit that and get sweaters and a new t-shirt like this one. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for Weekly Vlog and Sunday for a Sunday at Y. Bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.